The partnership with Técnicas Reunidas and ABICOR Group was really kind of surprise for us. In the beginning, when we started to market our cobot solution, the iBOTone, we focused very much on small and medium-sized companies. And now with the partner Técnicas Reunidas, we work with a very big company. They employ thousands of welders.
For us, for Técnicas Reunidas, the implementation of a robotic solution in our business is paramount. That will help us to improve the efficiency of our works, to save man hours on site, to improve the quality, to reduce the man hours that we are doing on the site.
First of all, the technology for us is very important. In this case, the quality control, we need to improve in this. We have a really strict clients, and also TR has the commitment to the quality for all the projects around the world. And the cobots is a very good solution. It's a technician solution, and also we can improve for the quality aspects.
And then now we are working in collaboration with Binzel and with all your team for improve more solutions that we have in our mind. We are excited because it's a new world for us. We have to be a partner because it's win-win. It's a business win-win. We are very excited for this new system, and we'll see where we finish, where we ended.
Here we see a huge potential for our cobot solution, especially the ease of programming, that what really convinced Técnicas Reunidas to work with us, and we see many future applications of our cobot systems here.